Hi everybody, it's Donna and Samantha, and today we're doing a quick video of our Kingdom of Cute mystery box pin set. We got 2 of them when we went on our trip last November to Disney World. So these are 2 pins to a box. There's 8 pins in the collection, and they're $14.99 per box before your discounts and taxes. So I know Samantha opened these, but I have not really seen them, so we'll see what we got in here. But here's the 8 pins in the set. So let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. We got, oops, sorry, he's kind of hard to hold. We got the eagle. And he's got his patriotic hat, and he's holding an arrow. It's very cute. And then we got from the Electrical Main Street Parade this cute little bug. She's wearing a flowered hat. Look at her little flower. It's so cute. I miss that parade so much. Do you remember that parade at all, Samantha? No? That's too bad. Okay. So now in our second box, let's see what we got. Ooh! Okay, we got the Jolly Roger with the swords for Pirates of the Caribbean. How cute. And I love that it's pink in the background. Very cute. Very nice. And then we got the submarine for, I believe, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, if y'all remember that ride many moons ago. So here are our pins from this set that we got. Let's see. There we go. There they are, all 4 of them. And here's what they look like again if you guys want to pick them up when you're in the parks. It's the Kingdom of Cute, and each box comes with 2 pins. There's 8 pins in the collection. And so that's it for this video. Now, if you like this video, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up and hit the bell to subscribe so you know when our next video comes out. And thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you guys, and until next time, bye!